Lost container shorts are completely dominating the feed right now, generating millions of views with incredibly simple setups. Audiences are completely hooked on these miniature trapped worlds. Today, I'm giving you the exact copy-paste master prompt to automate this entire visual loop for free using ChatGPT and Google Flow. Instead of wasting time hunting down premium tools, we're dropping a specialized master prompt straight into standard ChatGPT. It instantly designed 10 highly unique lost container concepts. Just reply with your favorite number, and the AI builds your exact 5-scene video prompts layout. Step 2. Let's build the visual pipeline. Copy your first scene prompt and head straight into Google Flow. Switch the top menu over to video mode, select the Omniflash configuration as your core model engine, paste your text layout in, and hit render. Your opening base clip will generate in seconds. The absolute biggest mistake people make is rendering individual clips from scratch, which completely breaks your visual continuity. Instead, scroll to the last frame of your first video and click Save Frame. Select that saved image asset, hit the 3 dots, click Animate, and paste Scene 2's prompt to keep your visual identity perfectly identical. Finally, toss your clips into your editor, sequence them chronologically with deep ambient music underneath. Trim the cuts directly on the beat drops, and your viral short is ready to post. If you want the exact master prompt completely for free, drop a comment, prompt, and I will repay you with prompt link. Like the video and subscribe.